Let's return to the analogy we used when describing functions. You worked in an office, and you had a coworker named Addison. Addison's job was to add two numbers. Any employee in the office could give Addison two numbers, and Addison would return the result. Now let's bring variables into this. On your desk you have two files, File A and File B. On File A and File B are written the numbers 5 and 2 respectively. These are variables and values. The variable A has the value 5, and the variable B has the value 2. Last time you wanted to add these two numbers together, we didn't really talk about what we would do with the result. This time, let's imagine we want to add B to A, or in other words, add 2 to 5. So you want to set A equal to the sum of A and B. Our end result should be that A should have the value 7. Previously, the way we described this was that you shouted across the office, "Hey Addison," the function call, 5 and 2, the arguments. Addison shouted back, 7, the return statement. So you erase the number 5 on your file and you write the number 7. You set A equal to the sum of A and B according to the function add_disen. This is passing by value. You hollered to Addison the values themselves, 5 and 2. Addison didn't know 5 and 2 were stored in File A and File B. Then Addison shouted back the result corresponding to the solution. He didn't know what you'd do with that value. All he knew was he needed to shout the value back. The key here is that it's the values themselves being shouted back and forth. Addison never knows your variables, and you never know Addison's variables.